Hi, hello, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the concept of cube and cube roots. I think the previously we are completed the so far three lectures. I thought I have an idea about it is previously we are discussed about the concept of squares and a square root. Squares and the square root. This concept I was already completed. The cube root today we have to so the left of the part of discussion. I think so. The squares and square root concept we have completed exercise 1 and exercise 2, exercise 3. I think so. Three exercises is completed. I think so. Today we have to see the rest of exercise 4 and exercise 5 is there in the sixth chapter, the state syllabus. So this cube and cube root concept let us we have to see today. Okay. I hope it's very clear. Now, just I wanted to, what is the difference between squares and square root? Let us, I should come back to squares division and I'll be interconnected with us cube root also. Let us, we have a number of x. We have a number of x. So how to write the square of a number? The square of x is x square. This is called squares. Now it comes to cube. How to write cube is x square is nothing but what? X into x. So 2 times we have to do. I like a cube. Let us we have a x. The cube of x is x cube. Cube is nothing but let us take a 3. Square is nothing but power of 2. So how the answer is you have to multiply with 3 times. So example we have it taken the number is 2. The square of a number is 2 square. Nothing but that is 2 into 2. The answer is 4. So same question it is here. It is the cube of a number is 2 has to be 2 power 3. So nothing but the number it should multiply 3 times. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. The answer is 8. This is the square of 2 is answer is 4. The cube of the number is 8. And nothing but you have to multiply the given number with 3 times. It is very clear it is. Now go for a square root. It is now next concept is square root. The calling concept is cube root. If the number is x, the square root of number is root x, nothing but it like this, or else you can write x power 1 by 2, nothing but the square root is like this. Cube root is the cube root of the number, it is x or something else like this. You have to write like this. Nothing but let us take x as a number. The cube root of x is the cube root of x, nothing but this you can write x power 1 by 3. It's very very interesting. X power 1 by 3 it is x power 1 by 2. You have to write like this. It's very clear. Let us take an example of the find the square root of 4. The find the square root of 4. How to write the square root of 4? So you have taken a LCM is 4. You have to write the 4 in terms of 2 times the 2 into 2. Because here the number is 2. So if it is pairing of two numbers are there, take out one number 2. The square root of 4 is the answer is 2. So similarly, the example for this, you need to find the cube root of 8. Nothing but the cube root of 8. Same thing, take 8 as LCM. You have to write 2 4 ja and 2 2 ja and 2 1 ja. It's nothing but the cube root of 8. You can write 2 into 2 into 3 2. So here you have to take the 3 pairs. It is here it is 3, right? So you have to take 3. If a similar kind of thing, please take out 2. So the cube root of 8 is 2. This is the slight difference between the square root of and the cube root of a given number. Okay, I hope it's very clear. So when you're doing that example problems on the exercise, you may understanding is more. Okay, now let us I'll share my screen to your textbook. So this is the cube and cube root analysis. So let us the cube big number means 3 times you multiply the given number. This is the 3 times your box's dimension it is. So let us here we should write one number it is 1 into 1 into 1. It's 1 cube. 8 how should got 2 into 2 into 2 2 cube. 3 into 3 into 3 it's 3 cube. So similarly what is expecting 4? So it is you can write just 4 into 4 into 4 4 cube. 4 4 ja 16 16 4 ja 64. This is a cube root of 4. I hope it's very clear. Okay, like this you need to fill the box. So similarly if you go upon down. So I told you the square root you need to remember for a long time. I like cube root also has to remember for a long time, at least till 20 numbers. Okay, so you should try to fill these numbers to understanding more. What is the there one cube? What the number is one. So what is the one cube of a number? It is. I think it's very new, very clear. You know, what's the value of one cube? One into one. Okay. What's the value of two? Two into two into two. The answer is 8. Now it is here. It is one. It is 8. 27. 64. So 125 they wrote. Next 6 cube is there. What is the value of 6 cube? How to find out 6 cube? They didn't mention that. You need to find it out. 6 times 6 cube. So 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 are 216. The answer is 216. Similarly, 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. We have to find out the cube root of 7. The cube root of 7 is 343. 343. Please multiply and write it down. Next, 8 into 8 into 8. The cube root of 8 is a 512. Because it is not available, I am writing. Please, it is better to copy the answer. Because 9 cube. The 9 into 9. So 9 cube. So 9 cube is at 729. Okay. Next, 10 cube. 10 cube is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10. I think it's very simple. It is 1000. The value of 1000. Because we need to remember the 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube till 10 cube. Similarly, we have to go for 11 cube, 12 cube. Its down is there. I'll show that. So you has to remember 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube. When you're finding the square root means cube root means it's a reverse operation of this. That is what you need to remember it is. Okay, this is the information you need to remember. I hope it's very clear. I think you remember it is clear. Huh? So 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube. Then 11 cube, 12 cube also I wrote in the down. Please let us see. I'll go back to down. This is the 11 cube, 12 cube, 13 cube, 14 cube, 15, 20 cube. At least I hope it is, if you feel it is 11 cube to 20 cube, it's a very big number. If you feel it is, at least you remember till 10 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube, 10. Because it may helpful to you when you're doing the questions, the simpler analysis we are going to see it is. Okay. This is a unit idea about it is. Okay. Thank you. Next, here some pattern they mentioned. It's one type of pattern. I can easily understand this. We can. So let us hear what the pattern is there. What is they are expecting the values from us here. So they are telling 1 is equal to 1 cube. After 1, they're writing a odd number 1, 3, 5. 3 plus 5 it is 8. So 8 is 2 cube. After 5, 7, 9, 11. They wrote addition of this 27, 27, 3 cube. After this, you need to adding this. So 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 after extension. This number is 64. It's nothing but it's a 4 cube. What is the needed to summation of 5 cube there? After 19, you have to write down 21, 23, 25, 27, 21, 23, 25, and after 27 and it's 29. This becomes addition we have to do. It becomes a 125. This becomes a 5 cube. This is what extension they are asking. That's what I was did. They needed under 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. One number, then of two numbers, three numbers, four numbers, and 5 consecutive of odd numbers. So addition you can do, you'll get it out. That will become the sequence of the cube. That is they are asking extensions which we did of. It's very simple. Next, you go for it down. The next, they are telling another arrangement dimension. This is also a little bit easy for our future level also. This also track, let us you need to track it is what is there 2 cube minus 1 cube. How you need to find out this is 1 after 2 cube minus 1 cube. What they wrote 1 place, this is a common 1 place, then after 2 into 1 this you write. Next 3 cube plus 3 cube means what you have to write, just 1 place cube is common, just 3 into 2 you have to write down because arrangement is what here 2 1 because you 2 1 because 3 2 has to 3 2. Next 4 3. This I told you the arrangement is common. One place is common anywhere. Here 1 I should write. I'll place and I should write cube is common anywhere it is. All you can get it out. In extension numbers you have to write down according to this copy. Here 2 1 is a 2 into 1. 3 2 3 into 2. 4 3 then 4 into then 5 4 it is there and you write into 5 into 4. Okay. This when you're doing this 5 cube minus this you are going to getting it out. So we need to add it out. The sequence will come. 5 4s are 20. 20. What is that? 4 12. 12 are 60. 60 plus 1. 61, I think so. Yeah, this is the way you can write down. Similarly, what are the values of these they are mentioned it is. So I'll try to take the questions I'll do here only better. The first case they mentioned 10 cube minus 9 cube. The analysis is same. What you have to do? 1 plus 10 into 9 into 3. So 1 plus 3 common you have to write down. That is the answer you are going to get. So am I clear or not? This is the answer is called as 271. The second case 15 cube minus 14 cube. The format is what? 1 plus 15 into 14, then you write it into multiply with 3, you are going to get an answer. It is here. So the answer becomes at 631. It's very clear. Then go to third case, 26 cube minus a 25 cube. The pattern is same. 1 plus 26 into 25 into 3. You're going to get an answer is 1951. Because without doing the much analysis, we need to consecutive numbers, subtraction will come. Because generally what you have to do when you want to do the increase, you have to multiply with 10 cube answer and 9 cube answer you have to do, then you subtract it. It will taking a lot of time. Without doing it analysis, this is one analysis is there. That is what they wrote. This concept you follow, you'll get rest of things. When the situation will come like this, you can follow this logic. That is what they mention it is. Nothing is there in this. So without doing the regular analysis, we have to go to logically, you'll get saving your valuable time. That is the thing over here. If anything else sequence order, should do it and get it out. I hope it's very clear. Next, move back to the third question. It is also very simpler analysis. This also we'll try to work on that. Because textbooks, many logics mentioned. Please let us, you need to understand it to helpful to you a lot of in the future levels. What is there? 1 cube is equal to 1 square. 1 cube, 2 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square, 3 square. Am I clear? Next, 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square. This becomes it's a 4 square, I think so. Next, this becomes what are the squares should come. They are telling it is. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So you have to write here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Have to write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square is equal to, I think it's 5 cube will come. Okay, this is what extension they wrote. So 1 plus 10 plus here till they wrote the 10 squares they mentioned till 10 numbers. Okay, here you have to write how many numbers it is there. You have to write only 9 numbers. It is not 1 cube, 2 cube like that till it is 8 cube plus 9 cube. This is what this answer it is. It's very simpler. So format is a 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. This format you will follow that. According to the top analysis, they wrote one format. It is there. It's very simpler. I hope it's very clear. Just cubing of the numbers when you wanted to do should be up to the n numbers you have to do. 4 numbers means you can write 4 numbers squares. 3 numbers means 3 numbers square. N numbers means n number squares. So at summation of this, individual summation of individual cube is equal to addition of the numbers and make it square. This will get it out. It's very clear. Thank you. Now next we have to go cube and their prime factors. So you need to find out cube of the numbers. I told you to many times how to find out cube root of the things. So method is same. This 64 is there. You take LCM like this, they got it as. You have to 216, you have to try take LCM and you get it out. Are you following or not? So try to take 64, take LCM or not. All these things to 32 ja, 216 ja, 28 ja, 24 ja, 22 ja, 21 ja. These are all 6 it out. Like this 216 also you can do LCM, you'll get this prime factorizations. Because 3 there take out. When you are doing the square root, it may help you. They are writing a cube of the things. So leave it about that. Then you will go to the extension of down. Then the question is 540 is a perfect cube or not. So it is perfect cube or not, just you take a number and do LCM. It is perfect cube or not means you need to get 3 pair combination there. Then you are taking 540 LCM, it is there, they got this. Because 3 pairs we have, 3 into 3. So 3 pairs come out. But 2 and 5, it should not be having a same pair of same kind of 3 parts, but it doesn't have it is. At least instead of 5, if you have a 2, you can take it out. But at least instead of 2, you have 5, take it out. So 5 and 2 do not have appears in the group of 3. Therefore, the 540s are not a perfect cube. So 3 set it should become. When you're taking it 540 LCMs, the number should become in the pair of 3. Only here 3 numbers we have a 3 pairs. Others should not be there. It is 540. It is not a perfect cube. So I think answer is clear. Hyperts. Okay, thank you. Now let us go to the next question number 13. The question is what? It is one of the interesting question. No? Please try to concentrate that. What is the smallest number by which the 2560 should be multiplied? Therefore, the product should be appear as a cube. So this same as like how you make it the square root, the multiplication. What are the numbers should make it perfect square? As the previous classes, that should be like the perfect cube. But the smallest number should be multiplied. So multiplied means some number you multiply, it becomes a pairing of 3. Perfect cube. First you take 2560, take LCM of all this. After the LCM, they got like this. So if it is make it a perfect cube, the pairing should be 3 3. So they have 3 pairs twos. They have 3 pairs too. We have 3 pairs twos. But you have only 5, only one number we have. It means what is the number to make it a perfect cube? What number should multiply? We have another 2 5s because to make it a perfect 3 pair combination. So what are the multiplication required? 2 5s is required. To 5 into 5 you multiply with the given number. So therefore the given number it becomes a perfect cube. It's not a pairing of 3. Automatically the number becomes a perfect cube. Once again I'm repeating, we have to take a 2560, do LCM, write what are the factors are available. After it start mapping of 3 pairs. However, still first pair, second pair, third pair, but fourth I should try to pair only, but 5 I should have to make it make it perfect cube means 5. We have rest of 2 5s also make it a perfect cube. So I required 5 into 5 multiply. So nothing but 25 is required to make it the 2560 as a perfect cube. Multiplication means you need to multiply the number. Division means this 5 should not be appear. That is a different case that I'll discuss in the next question. Multiplication means number should multiply. Okay. Square case only 1 5. Cube case 3 is required. So next case I was already told you. So now 1600 it is there. The 1600 question is little. What is the smallest number? It should divide. The quotient it's become perfect cube. Same question, same methodology. Take LCM, write prime factor of all, because this is one pair of cube, this is one pair of 3. This should be appear it is. But if you multiply means what are the number I should multiply? I should multiply with 5. This becomes a perfect cube. But here the question is not multiply. The question is should be divide. So I don't want to multiply. I should divide with some number. So what are the number you should divide it is? So what are the numbers are available here extra? This 5 into 5 number should not be appear because I should divide with 5 into 5. Automatically this is becomes cancel. So this is becomes a perfect matching of 3. This should not be appear. What I told you, this number should not be appear. So they should not be appear means you need to divide this number with 5 into 5. What are the numbers are available? After the pairing, that number should divide. So 5 into 5 should divide mean this number should be going to cancel out. This is becomes a 3 3 pair. Number becomes perfect cube. So you have to divide with 5 into 5. So 25 you divide the 1600. This term should be cancel out, make it perfect. This is a division case. Multiply means should multiply with only single 5 because 2 5s are available. Division means the extra things after pairing should divide. That number should divide. It's very clear, I hope. Okay, we have a excess problems also, so it should be already understanding that. Okay. Clear, I think so. Example 14 is clear. Oh, wow. Now let us your exercise will start music. Find the cube of the following numbers. So I don't want to disturb you. Let us, you can take the find the cubes. I think you know. First question I should explain. Find the cube of a number. Let us x is equal to number is 8. The cube of number is x cube. Nothing but that is 8 cube. What is you can do 8 cube? 8 into 8 into 8. I think you know how to do it with all these things. Am I clear on it? How to do it is 8 cube. So 8 into 8. Am I clear it? What you have to do? 8 into 8, it's 64. 64 into 8, it's 512. It's already we know. You should write it. The answer is 512. The first question is clear. Similarly, second question is there. What is the second question? 16 is there. 16 cube, how to write down? Second question. 16 into 16 into 16. 16, 16, yeah, I hope it is 256 into 16. It is a 409. This is 256 into 16. This becomes a 4096. Second question. Similarly, third question is 21 cube it is there. So what is this? 21 into 21 into 21. It's very clear. It's so 21 into 21. I think you know it's for 441 into 21 you do. So 441 into 21. The answer is 9261. The last question 30. So 30 into 30 into 30. It's very simple question. So 30 into 30, it's a 900. 900 into 30. I think you know it's very simple. 9327, no? 27,000. This is the cube of the following number. The number you multiply the 3 times, automatically you'll get it answers. So later trying to recollect your answers. Take number, multiply 3 times. 8 8 ja 64, 64 8 ja 512. First, second question, 16 into 16, 16, 16 ja 256. Should multiply 16, you're getting 4000. Third question, 21. 21 into 21, 441 into 21, it's 9261. Next 30, 30 ja 900 into 30, 27,000. It's very clear. Thank you. So next, what he has to do means next first bit is clear. Second bit is test whether the given numbers are perfect cube or not. Is it perfect cube or not? So perfect cube or not, no need to test something else perfect even number, that is no need to take any concept. Just you take a number. I'll take 250, 243. I'll be check on the screen. I'll tell you how to do it. Let us 243 is a perfect cube or not. Then it is going to perfect cube or not. So is it going to perfect cube exist or not? Just you take a 243. So do your analysis. Take LCM of this. Is it going to which number for 2 table is not possible? 5 plus 3, 8, it is not possible. Of it is there, 243. So it is 7 7 14, you know. So 7 into 7 into 7, 243. It is not a perfect cube, I think so. Because we need to get existence of a perfect cube, I think so. 243 means it is not available at anywhere of the cubes. It is not 243, it is not a perfect cube, I think so. Because when you take it LCM, it should be appear it is. What is should do 7 tablets go 7 2 7 3 is 21 now. 7 table it's not 7 1 7 3 is 21. It is not, so it is not appear it is not a perfect cube. Clearly the 243 is not perfect. So the checking is 243. I think we have a I think so. What is the 6 cube? 216. I'll write 6 cube is 216. 7 cube just now I told you. What is 7 cube? 343. The number should come in between. But before the 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343. So 243 is not a perfect cube, which you can say this is a method. When your LCM is not possible, you should go to smaller numbers. So say the first question is clear. What is the second question? I'm trying to go to second question. Second question is 516. 516. This is the one best question to take him LCM method. I'll take 516. So cube root is going to existence or not. Just to take a 516. This is the best method. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 8 ja 16, 258. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 9 ja 18. As I'm clear or not? Okay. Next 3 4 ja 3 3 ja. Next there is no 43. 43 is there any possibility? No, it is not possible. 43 it's not at all. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 2 ja 10, 2 8 ja 16. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 129, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja. So 43 it is not at all moving anywhere. So only 43 1 ja 43. Because if we take a pairing of this, there is no such a 3 pair combination to take out. So 5 16 also it is not a perfect, because 3 pairs will come out, you can check it out. So 5 16, right? Okay. So if you wanted to go another way also, I'll try to say it is 5 16, right? I think we know the 8 cube is 512. Okay. 9 cube is 729. In between it should come, right? So 8 cube or 512, 9 cube is 529, but 516 is not a perfect cube. We can say it is not a perfect. Like this also you can go, like this also we can check it out, your range of the thing in between, the number 5 6 not available. So it is not a perfect cube. Like that we can say it is. So another question. 729. I think we know the 729. Let us, you can take 729. We'll try to take a 729. Work on that. Third question, 729. I think you know it's 9 cube, but you can check it out. How do you know it is? You can take 3 table also. You can take 3 2 just 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja. Next 381 ja. Next 3 2 ja 6, 327 ja. 3 3 ja. Like this. You can write a cube root of this. What can you write? 3 combinations. No, you can write 3 combinations. Because here cube root of is 3 pairs will be there. Come 3 pair. You can take come 3. It is 9, so it will perfect cube existence. Like this it should come 3 pages. There is no missing term in this, so that's why the 729 perfect cube is exist. The value of perfect cube is answer is 9, but previous case it should not like that. There is no 3 pair combination, it is not available. Okay, or else if it is not supposed to do LCM, you are not getting. Like this also check it out. So 729 is very clear. So now next case should go to the next question. What are the next question here 8,000 8,000. So please check 8,000 and 2,700. The model I told you, take LCM for 8,000, take LCM for 2,000. Same similar fashion. How did you work on that? 8,000 you take LCM, you take find out. Next 2,700 you take LCM and find out. So like that, the rest of the two numbers also you can find out. When you're taking 3 pair combination, it should come. Otherwise, it is not a perfect square. It's very simpler question. It's clear. So first bit, second bit is clear. Now next third question here, the number is 8788. What is the number should multiply? So same previous question. Example I told you, the smallest number by which the number should multiply to obtain a perfect square. Your thing is should be multiply. Question is 8788. The number should multiply. So I'll take the question. The question is 8788. So what are the number should multiply? It nothing but it is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. To make it a perfect cube, this 8788 should multiply some other number. It becomes a perfect cube. What is the number? Better I should take LCM 8788. You has to go the two table 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 2 4s are. So 2 concentrate on that 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 2 1s are, then 2 9s are 18. Sorry, it is not, two table is not possible. Sorry for interruption. Two table is not possible. Let's go for a three table. Three table, try to check it out. 9, it is 10. Is it possible? Three table? 3 plus 12. 12 plus it is 19. It is three table is not possible, I think so. Is there any other table it's possibility? 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table. Is it possible with 7 table? Let us will try to check it out. Let us I'll try to checking it out. 2197. It is not dividing 7 also. Once again, the question is what? 87, right? 788. Then after this, it has to 2197. So 2197, it should be multiplied with given. It is divisible by 2197. It is not divisible by 3 also. It is not divisible by 4 also, because table is not 4, 5, 6, 7 also not divisible. 8 also not possible. 9, it is not possible. 10, it is not possible. 11, it is not possible. It is 12, it is not possible. It's maybe for 13. Try to checking it out. 2197, right? Division by 13. So 13 table it's possible. Let's keep on going on there. All is not possible. The 13 table, right? 13 169 is a possibility is there. Next 169 13 13 is. So this is will come. Okay, like that I was went out 2 3 4 table 13 key. So like this, what I should write? The thing is 87 double 8. I'm writing a cube root of this and try to find out cube root. So the Epsilon cube, sorry, this I'll try to of this, because the cube root of this number and try to find out what are the numbers should come here. 13 into 13 into 13 is 3. Then after 2 into 2. Okay. So when you wanted to make it a perfect cube, what are the numbers should be there? Pairing should be there. 3 pairing should come. So 13 should come out into, but 2 into 2 is there because one more extra 2 is required to make it a perfect cube. Then becomes a 2 will come out. So what is the number should multiply? Should multiply with a 2. The number becomes a perfect cube. The answer is, you multiply the two numbers, the question becomes a perfect cube. So therefore, the given equations should have a perfect root for a given terms. I hope it's very clear. Any doubt? It is clear. Any doubt? It is. Thank you. The answer is 2. Now let us move on to the next question. Fourth question, right? Let us will move to the next fourth question. The question number 4 is same. What is the number you multiply with 7803? The number should becomes a perfect cube. As like third one, you can do fourth one also. But if you wanted to do, I'll try to do for this 7803 number. 7803. Let us take same process. What is the number should multiply with 7803? So first you take 7803. Take it LCM. It is not divisible by 2 table. It trying to do with the 3 table. It's possible. 7, 8, 15, 15, 3, 18. Okay, possible. 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 3 1 is. Next 2, 6, 8, 3 table is possible. 3 8 is 6, 24. 3 6 is 3 7 is. Am I clear or not? I hope it's very clear. Am I clear? It 2601 867. Next 3 table is possible again. 6. How much will come? 8 plus 4 6 no 14 21. 3 table is possible. 3 2 is 8. 3 5 is sorry, it is 14. 14 plus 7 21. It's 3 to 3 2 is 8 6. 26 will come. 3 8 is 24 will come. 3 9 is 27. 289 it's okay. Next again it is becomes possibilities are 16 17 18 19. It is not possible, I think so, with the 3 table. Okay, 289 it is there. So 289 it is, I think so, 17 17 how much no? 289. So please try to do 17 17 289, because there is no other possibility. 4 table 5 table 6 table keep on you went out. It is not possible because as we have a command on that 289 is a 289 square is 1770, that you can get it out easily. The grasping of answers. I hope it's very clear. Now this number cube root I'm writing it is like this. How should write? A 3 into 3 into 3, then 17 into 17 into the empty box. You need to make it out, because what is the number you multiply? Yeah, the thing is very clear. The continuation will do. So what is exactly the number is 7803, right? Let us, you can take start working 7803. The 3 table I told you, 3 2 is 6, 3 6 is 3 1 is. Next 3 8 is 24, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21. Okay. Next 3 2 is 6. Next 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is. This is becomes a 17 17. So the 7803, the cube root, you are going to find out, right? You should write out a cube root. What is the number is 3 into 3 into 3, then 17 into 17. So into some number you need to multiply. Okay, that is our intention, because 3 pair combination, the 3 should come out. But if it is wanted to come out, make it perfect cube, what are the number is there? 17 17. Only 2 you have. The extra required is number is 17, similar kind of. So it becomes a perfect cube will come. So what are the number I should multiply here? Answer is 17. If you multiply with a 17 number with a given number, the total number it becomes a perfect cube. The cube root of this entire number is 7 3 is 51. The cube root of entire number is 51 because when you multiply with 17 it becomes perfect cube. Otherwise it should not. So 17 previously is not available. By making of analysis we understand the 17 is required. So this is a way of approaching to multiply number that becomes a perfect cube. Now it's look like a perfect cube. It's very clear. Now let us switch on to the next question. The question is next. Question number 3, 4 is done. Now it should go for a fifth question here. It is. The question is simpler. I think the smallest number which should be divided it is. So 8640. The question is little similar kind of an example. Previous case the multiply numbers. What number you multiply? So you should multiply some number. You make it a perfect cube. It is. Now here what number should be divided? What number should be divided? I told you the process of how you should make it a perfect cube. The number should divide. Let us take a number 8640. 8640. The procedure will be same. 8640. Let us what number you should divide. So let us take. This is not a perfect cube. So first you take 8640. Start doing LCM. It is. I hope it's very clear how to do the LCM for a given questions. Am I clear or not? So let us you should start multiplying over here. 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 0 ja. Next 2 table. 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 16. 2 5 ja, 2 4 ja. Next 2 2 ja, it is 2 7 ja, 14. It is 0. Next 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 6. I think 2 5 ja, 135. 5 table directly. There is 3 4 4 plus 5. It is 9 is available. So please try to go for 3 tables. Sorry for interruption. Go for 3 table. 3 4 ja, 12. 3 5 ja, 15. Next 3 9 ja, 45. 3 3 ja, 9. 3 1 ja, 3. Next is 3 1 ja, 3. So better I should write all the numbers. This, what is the number here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So like this you have a 6 2's. Next 3 3's. And one more 3 is there. Still clear? Any doubt? It is clear? Any more doubt? So the question is very simple and it's very important. What number you has to divide with this? Okay. So he has to do it very clear. Once again, you should go back to check it out. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja then 0. Then what I has to do? Let's wait a 1 minute. If anything else, it's 8 6 4 0. 135. Okay. Next 135 till it's correct. 135 you have to divide with 3. It becomes a 45. Okay. So next here it is. I think we did wrong. I think so. Just wait. It is. After 45, what he has to do? 3 table is 15 will come. I think something went wrong. That's what I was observed. Here 3 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. Next 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Next 3 5 ja 15. Next last 5 1 ja 5. Clear? So here what are the 3 3's and 1 5? 1 5. This is the extension of the thing. So question it is. This is the question. After do enter the question, you should got it out. So for this, you need to take a number space. 2 come out, 2 come out, 3 also come out. What's the number should be left out? 5 number is left out. So the questions are very interesting. Number should multiply means what are the number should come? When you multiply 5 into 5, this becomes a perfect cube. But it is not a multiply, it should be divide. So divide means this number should not be available in this. So what are the left out portion is that number should divide with this number. This is going to cancelling out to make it. This is number going to perfect cube of the given number. So answer is 5. should divide with left out portion. What are there? That entire portion should divide. What are the number? If 5 is left out, 5 should divide. If it is one more 5 there, should 5 into 5, 25 should divide. So like this, it should be divide with the given numbers. I hope it's very clear. Okay, this is the number should be divided. Multiply means what are the numbers should be required to make it perfect cube. That number should multiply. Divide means a box should be down, the entire thing should be going to down. I think which fifth question is clear. So next I should go for a sixth question. The sixth question is have to read very carefully. The question is very simple. Ravi made a cube of plasticine of dimensions 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 3 centimeters. So how many minimum number of such a cubes are needed to make it a perfect cube? I think so. I'll write it a cube. Have a cube like this. Cuboid. So cuboid means LBH is different. So here the length of the cube is, what's the length of the cube is? 12 centimeter. I think breadth of the cube is, it's 8 centimeter. The height of cube is 3 centimeter. Like this, we are made one cube. I like your duster, chalk duster box like this. It's a cuboid. So it is not a cube, it's a cuboid. So how many number of these cuboids like this? We have figures box cuboids to make it, when arranging it becomes a perfect cube model. How many number of like this cuboids are required to make it the entire combination? You are arranging in a one plane. This setup is look like a perfect cube. Question is clear. We have a dimensions of cuboid. One cuboid we have like this. How many number of cuboids? It is not a cube. How many number of cuboids? Because LBH is different here. Okay, but cube means all sides are same, length same, height same, breadth also same. So how should we look like a cube? How many number of this set of cuboids are required? So I think first you keep here first one cuboid like this, second cuboid, third cuboid like this. You have to make a combination things. How many set of cuboids are required to make it a perfect cube? That is a question. So the answer is it's very simple. First you find out the multiplier of this. 12 into 8 into 3. So this many number of cuboids are required. So 12 into 8 into 3, 288. The answer is you need to multiply this 3. Find the volume of this cuboid. So this many number of cuboids are required. 288 number of like this cuboids I told you right just now. Diana, the 288 things you make it an arrangement. This becomes look like a perfect cube model like that. The 288 number of cuboids are required. First to find the volume of cuboid, that is volume of thing L into B into H. So that is 12 into 8 into 3. That is answer is 288. The 288 number of cuboids are required to make it a perfect cube. The answer of sixth question is at 288. I think so. The volume of cube is formula LBH. So I think if you have a doubt, it is what is the volume of things. So in the YouTube lecture of 8th class only, in the playlist I was mentioned that the basic concepts of squares and square, what is a square, rectangle, and rhombus, a parallelogram, always all volume of cube, everything sphere, every mention that area, surface area, volume, surface area, internal curvature, all this it was mentioned. Please let us watch the video if you have a doubt of the formulas. So sixth question is finished. Next, the very interesting thing in a competitive examination, the seventh question is very more important. Find the smallest prime number. Divide this is sum. So it has to go 3 power 11. It has to go 5 power 13. Add both. Okay, you'll get one answer. The answer divided by one smallest prime number. The smallest prime number it should divide. The answer becomes a perfect quotient. So what is a prime number should divide this summation? It make it a perfect division. So that is a question it's here. So first you need to understand 3 power 11 plus 5 power 13. This is an odd number. This is also odd number. Clear? Here you need to understand one concept. The power of odd number is odd only. The power of odd number is odd only. Summation of two odd numbers, it becomes an even number. Clear? Once again, I'll tell you. So I'll take the question separately. I should work on 3 power 11 plus 5 power 13. 5 power 13. With this, you need to divide one number. Number, let us take x. So what is the number? We don't know, that is x. So think what is the number should be smallest prime number. This should be a prime number. Let us, we need to add something else before go to this. First note is some x power odd. It becomes odd number only. Because I told you odd number into odd number, nothing but odd number only. Because example, you can take 3 3s, it is 9, it's odd number. 5 5s, two odd numbers multiply, it is 25. So the product of two odd numbers is odd only. This 3 power 11, it is 3 is 11 times, it should be do, its 11 is odd number. So odd number 3 power 11 is becomes, it's an odd number. Place 5 power 13, 13 also odd number. So odd number, number power odd times you multiply, the number should come, it's odd number only. Next note 1 is clear. Next note 2, sum of odd numbers, odd plus odd. What is going to happening is that odd number plus odd number, the number becomes even number. Example, you can take, what's the odd number you take? 3. One more odd number you can take. 5 plus 3, how much it is? 8 is an even number. If you add summation of two odd numbers, the number becomes even number. Here odd number, odd answer will come. Here also odd answer will come. Both odd answer will come. The answer becomes a even number. The answer is even number. So this, the entire portion you do power. First 3 power 11 you get odd number, 5 power 13 you get odd number, odd number you add, you got answer is even number. So you're going to get answer is even number. So even number you divide with a smallest prime number. What are the prime number will start? The prime number will start 2 and 3 and go to 5 and go to 7 and go to 11. It's keep on going there. So is the smallest prime number is 2. The 2 is divided with this given number, because what are the numbers should become, the even number should be divided with definitely 2. So answer is even number. So 2 is definitely divided with the given answer should go into from the question. So therefore the answer is 2. 2 you can divide. Not you should not go for 3 also, because the smallest, they're asking smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. After it is 2 is not possible, go for 3, because the summation, the solution for this, the answer is even number. So automatically the even number definitely divisible by 2. The answer is the smallest prime number is 2. If you divide the entire solution by 2, it should be divided perfectly. The smallest prime number is 2. Here the concept is what? Simple and telling. The odd number, product of odd numbers is odd number. Sum of odd numbers is even number. The two logics I was used. I hope it's very clear. The first, the exercise number 6.4 is we have finished. If you have any doubt, please make a comment on the section. If you are interested, please subscribe to our channel. The links will get to your email ID. So that is what we should do. So please practice the things. If you still not clear, please listen the video 2-3 times. We can easily understand. So next class we'll see how to find out the cube roots. Now cubes is clear. So these are given numbers, perfect cubes are not, we check it out. What is the smallest number you multiply? What is the smallest number you should divide? This concepts I was covered. Next class we should find out how to find the cube root for a given question. I hope it's, thanks for watching, and keep continuing the next video.